Hello, I'm with Jan Krystyn in a snowy Prague today in the MRO activity of ABS Jets. We've just concluded the pilot project of critical chain implementation, and I'd like to ask Jan to present himself, what he does and what he has to say about his experience of implementing critical chain for the first time.
So I'm working for ABS Jets for 7 years as a planning and logistic manager, and I was in charge in this project as a project manager. It means that we began with the implementation of Lean in ABS Jets, but finally we decided to implement the critical chain methodology. Then we chose the pilot project, we chose the team, and then we followed the methodology of critical chain.
And the pilot project was on a legacy doing its check C. And can you tell us how that happened and what your experience was with that, what the results were?
Basically, we choose the double C check, means the double C. It's 96 months inspection, and we expect that we can do the job more efficiently, and we will, let's say, decrease the stress at the end of the aircraft release to service.
Mm-hmm.
I think, and my personal opinion is that we are good what we are doing, but we can be better. And the critical chain basically showed us that we have the straight, but on the other side there is still weaknesses. Means that there is still a lot of space for improvement. And this, I will see it as the next challenge to improve the weaknesses.
Very good. And just with the pilot, you already broke the record of duration, down to 33 days, working only one shift. And as you say, with not much stress, or there was maybe some stress in the first week or two, but it got under control very quickly, and then it finished off quite with very little stress. Am I right?
That's correct. Based on this, let's say, feeling, we did analysis with the last, let's say, previous 96 months inspection and compared the load on the technicians. And then really the numbers showed us that compared to the previous one, this pilot project was really at the end almost without stress.
Mm-hmm. Yes, if you compare the work, the amount of hours of work day by day, previously there was a big peak right at the last day, and in this case, in fact, a lot of the work was done at the beginning, but the end was very steady and not too intense. Is that right?
That's right. It was steady, stabilized, and you feel that technicians are comfortable.
Yeah, and probably that's very good for making sure that the plane is in perfect condition at the end. Yeah.
Customer is happy.
Okay. Tell me what you like the best about critical chain.
I like the overall control, visual management,
Mm-hmm.
and at the end the happiness of all the people which are involved.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.